Alrighty, we are at the airplane course today. We're playing a 9-hole scramble. We're getting our get back. We tried to, last week? It did not go well. So we're coming back today. We're gonna go under par. It's gonna be great.
Okay, just gonna try and put it in play here over that tree. We're gonna be in the right rough, but playable.
Just to the right of those birch trees.
The two little white trees.
All right, we got one in play here. Gotta try to work us a little further left, get us a shot from the fairway.
It's absolutely perfect. Right down the middle. Right at the stick.
Yep. It's gonna trickle in the fairway.
Very nice. All right, so we got two pretty solid ones. This course is awesome. We've already seen some planes fly over this first fairway, so I'm excited. It's a good one to start it off. Go low today.
That wasn't
right.
the plane.
It's really right. It's high too. Should be in that fairway. I see it. It's okay. Not the worst.
Okay, we got about 180 to the flag. This is a par 5, shockingly. See if we can get it. Look at Eagle up there.
Oh yeah, that should be on.
All right, we'll have a chip up there for Eagle. I want to try to see if we can put something on the green here. There was a fly on the ball.
Alrighty, so we have a ball, I believe, on the green, and then one that went 90 degrees to our left. At least we're in the fairway though with that one. Let me see if I can't get us a little bit closer on the green, but no matter what, we're in good shape. Let's go get an eagle.
That's a better shot.
Oh, it's long. Yeah.
All right.
I mean, I can't be mad at it though.
Right, so my shot ended up here on the green. Got good ways to go, and it's double breaking. I get to be the one that looks silly when this ends up nowhere close. I was scared of it, I won't lie.
We didn't go long, that's good at least.
That's one on the green.
Yeah.
We got one putt at it, got us a little help with the line. Gonna try to get something closer than that without running it off the green. Not too bad, I hit it through the first break though.
Alrighty, so I think I have the line, just gotta have the right pace on this. This would be crazy start for the boys. That's too much. Or maybe it's perfect. Maybe it's perfect. Sit! Now sit down! Ah, too much.
We got 10 feet up the hill, moving right to left for birdie. Try and give this a run. It didn't move right to left.
Saw one, let's put this one in. Go!
So this really needs to go in.
Oh!
Left it short. Oh my God.
Tragedy.
All right, finish that up for a par. Oh boy.
Goldfish memory on the 3-putt. Short par 4. Start this one up the left-hand side of the fairway. Should have a good look at it. A little further left than I hoped.
Yeah, that's gonna be just fine.
Yeah, I mean, that's a ways up there.
Yeah, that's just fine.
All right, we got one up there. It's in the rough, but we'll have a clear look at the green. Gonna just try to get us a little better and a shot from the fairway.
Yes.
Good ball.
Oh, yes. What a drive from the young man. We are out in the middle of the fairway, folks.
130?
Probably. Just gonna give it a little bit here. There's a plane flying overhead right now. Not sure if you'll be able to see it, but
No. Good ball.
That might be through the fairway.
nope, it's right up in there.
Yeah, perfect. I think we
Yeah.
know which one we'll take.
Nice and easy.
That's
Plane
great.
flying overhead. We love the pressure. We take the pressure. Most of the time it doesn't work out, but that one did, so that's great.
That's exactly. Okay, Ian hit a phenomenal drive. We got only 60 left. Trying to get something up there close. Have a little shorter putt at it than last time.
It's a word we don't often use on this channel. Is phenomenal, so we love to see that.
Oh, the wind took it.
That's okay, though.
Good distance,
Yeah.
wind took it.
All right, just gonna take a nice easy one up at the middle of the green, get us something safe. I chunked it a little bit.
Yeah, that's all right. All right, we got to 60. Nice little quarter swing. Just got to get it up there. Maybe 50.
That'll work out better. Oh,
Right, Ian's here, just rolled through. Got a chip at birdie. Gonna start it a little out left.
all right, we got a great look for par up there already. Gonna try to get this one in the cup. Started a little further left.
Oh, yes. Go in.
Oh,
Oh, what a chip.
that was the best try I got at it.
Alrighty, so we've had two pretty spectacular runs at it. I'm just really gonna try and do the same. Hopefully something spectacular happens.
That was a tricky lie.
Okay, 2 feet left.
And we're in there for par. Look at that. 2 pars.
Take off my glove.
Not a bad start.
Short par 3 here. We got 115. Got a nice pitching wedge number for me.
Get a good kick. Did not.
Just a hair short. It
but that's fine.
bounced the wrong way.
Gonna work it, try to get it at the middle of the green.
Run up there.
I think that was a pond ball. It sounded really dead.
So we got 2 looks that just came up short. We got about 115, but we got the wind behind us, so I'm gonna take sandwich. If we make good contact here, get it up in the air, should be in a pretty good spot. Oh, I tugged it.
Ooh,
That's fine.
all right.
Tugged it, hit the tree, and came down. We got looks. We'll make par.
We're up here at mine. It just kicked off the green. Got a little chip at it. This thing is grainy. I'm not mad at it.
Certainly not terrible.
Yeah, definitely some cabbage we're hitting into, right into the green. Gonna try to keep this a little lower and let it run up towards the hole there. Still not enough. Really gets caught in that grass.
All right. We got 2 pretty solid looks up there. Gonna try and come at it from pretty high. inching our way there. Not the worst.
I got this going just straight up the hill. Gonna, yeah, the center of the cup, try and roll it straight.
Woo!
It wasn't as
putt.
uphill.
We're in for par. Is that 3 pars?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Right, another short par 4 here. I think it says 325. That might be gone. No, it's not.
I think it's okay.
No, you just act to the right of the last little tree there. Same thing here, got one that's alive. Just gonna try to work this one a little closer to the fairway.
Right, Ian's came up here close to the trap. We're in between 2 trees, and we got another one between us and the hole, about 90 yards. Oh, get right.
Distance is good.
I just yanked it.
Yeah, just a little. That's all right.
All right, just gonna try to pitch one up here. Got a pretty clear look at this green, except for that tree right in the front. Might have to get it down a little early and run it up on the green.
Oh, be fantastic. Get legs.
Ooh, did not get up the hill.
Yeah. So drive worked out pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie, that was pretty sick, having that plane fly over. So let's complete the hole here. Hit a good shot, give ourselves a putt.
It'll be really good. Be
Oh.
fantastic.
That'll work out.
Okay, we're here at Alex's. Ian's left a scary putt, so we opted for the chip instead. It's halfway there. Well, I just don't want to start the train of blading it over the green.
Yes.
And we all 3 do it because we got progressively more nervous to hit it.
Yes.
Okay, see Lucas is there, it's got us a look. I'm gonna try to land it about where his ended up and let it roll out. Oh, that's deep.
Oh,
It checked, not enough though.
we got, oh, let's not do that. We got a pretty solid look. Just gonna try and get it a little closer. Nothing too crazy. Or we just putt it, I guess. I don't even know what happened there.
Okay, got a fairly straight putt as far as we know. I'm gonna go inside right, try and get it there.
Found out on that last putt that this is completely dead straight. So I'm just gonna take a second, line this up, try to get good pace on it. I pulled it too.
So it's straight. I'm just gonna hit it in. Nothing too fancy. Very, very standard putt. We gotta make this one.
Get there. Oh. Leave that rolling.
Oh, that hurt.
Okay, try and bounce back. Unfortunate bogey on the last.
Very.
This hole is as wide open as they come. I'm gonna take a free swing at this one.
Oh, the wind caught it. Get down.
I didn't see it land.
It's right over the back of that bunker.
Okay.
Leaning right.
I got some wind coming across, which is not going to help with the slice, so I'm going to start it pretty much at the center of that big tree on the left side and hopefully leave it in the fairway somewhere.
Oh my God, it's perfect.
I love it when a plane comes.
It's very rare that it actually works out, but that is perfect.
Yeah, this is the first time on the channel anything has went to the plan that I described in the intro.
But we'll take it. All right, so we are again in position A. So I'm gonna give this one the beans. Will it work out? Most likely not, but if it does, that'd be really neat. Oh my God, it worked out. Beautiful. That might be on the green.
Oh,
hit the
tree. Ooh.
I mean, it's right at the base of the tree. I think that's gonna be a pretty solid spot. Let's go take a look.
Another good drive by Ian. We got 50 yards in. Got a little flip wedge here. That's short.
I mean, we're on.
All right, just gonna try to get this one up there a little bit closer. Got a lot of green to work with here, so anywhere should be relatively safe.
That looks pretty sweet.
Oh, hold.
Bad kick to the right. It's got to hold that ridge.
That stayed.
Okay. So we got looks. I'm going to kind of shade toward the left here, give us another option. Just going to try and get it back there.
Be the number.
Go in.
Very nice.
That'll work out. Alrighty, so we hit two pretty solid shots here. We're gonna putt first, see if we can't get a natural birdie. Up the hill. Cannot leave it short. Been leaving them short today, not this one, never a birdie. And we blew it. Okay, that was really bad.
Okay, we're still trusting our read, straight at it. Just try and put it on the right line. No, I think it does move right over.
It does.
New development here. We are now aiming at the left edge of the cup and just try to keep that same pace and drop one.
Yeah! A birdie! We're back to even. Okay, let's go.
Okay, second par 5 here. This is a good amount longer, 515. They could probably land a plane on this fairway, so I'm gonna swing at it again. Ooh. Yeah. Face came wide open.
All right, I'm gonna try to keep the momentum going here a little bit. I've been hitting better drives, save one. So let's try to get this one in the fairway.
Is that straight?
We'll find it.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Oh, it's
Ooh.
right on the edge of the brush.
We might find it.
Yeah. Well,
Alrighty, so we have sprayed both sides now, so by the, law of percentages, we should find the middle here. So I'm gonna give a
Law of
little bit of
averages,
beans on all of
folks.
it. Just get us right down the middle. It's really high.
it is.
It's okay though.
For the folks at home, it just hit the ground now.
Yeah. It should be in the fairway though. So I'll take that one.
Okay, we have too far to the green and we can't see the green. Got a hybrid, just gonna try and go just to the left of that tree line, get us up in the fairway there. Yeah, pretty good layup.
Absolutely perfect.
All right, we got a good one there, so now we can have a little bit of fun with it and try to play some shots we definitely don't have in the bag. So I'm gonna try to hit this one at those trees with a little bit of cut to it and get a little closer. I tried to swing too hard and stood up and putted it, so.
Alrighty, so we have a great look up there. Once again, we're not freed up very often to try fun things, so let's try it. I'm gonna try and go over the edge of that tree, bring it back. Nice little fade. Oh, it was dead straight. That's gonna be too much. That's in there. It's in the gobbledygook. We hit it great though.
Okay, we got exactly 100. Just gonna take a nice easy pitch and wedge at it. I chunked it.
Hit a sprinkler head.
Oh, that wasn't very good.
All right, same idea here, just going for the center of the green. Got 100 yards, just gonna try to choke up a little and hit this one easy. Good Lord.
Alrighty, so we have our third and final chance here to get one on the dance floor. I like the look, I like the number, 100 yards. Got a new ball, last one is gone forever. So let's stick it close.
That'll be good.
On the back.
Right on the back. That's all right, we'll take it.
Okay, Ian's is just on the fringe here. Got a downhill putt. Ways to go, probably 25, 30 feet. It's for the bird.
That's a really solid putt though. Good putt.
Did like the look of that first putt there. I think it hit something and kicked a little bit right, so I'm keeping the same line here, and hopefully we don't get unlucky twice in a row. A bit too much on that one. Right through the left.
All right, I shouldn't do this, but I want to, so why the heck not? Just gonna give it enough to go and see what happens. That wasn't enough to go. I got a little scared. That's pretty cool.
We got a short par 4. It's 286. Drivable for some. I'm just gonna try and get something in the fairway.
Oh, what a golf shot.
That's all we were looking for.
That is perfect. Absolutely perfect.
All right, we got a pretty perfect one up there in the fairway. Gonna get the same idea here. Started a little left, working right, just try to get it up on the fairway and see where it runs.
Someone should watch this hole. That might be good.
Okay, that was a little loud.
We got a ball up, position A. This is only, it's looking like 290 on 18 birdies, so I definitely should be able to get this there. Just need solid contact, right off the edge of the trees.
ball.
That should be there. It's gonna be close. It might have hit the bunker, I don't know.
Okay, up at Eden's here, not as close as we imagined it to be. We got about 55 to the flag. Be good. Short. Okay.
Okay, got a short little pitch up to this green. Had 3 nice drives on this hole. For the record, mine was alive. So, let's make something of it. Be good.
It's not bad.
A little left, but we're up there.
Wind really got it. Should have adjusted, but it didn't. That's fine.
Okay, up here to Alex's. Got about 15, 18 feet left. Just outside left here.
Quite a bit more.
Yes.
All right, we're gonna start this one out a little further left. Try to just die it in the hole there. Come on in. Oh!
That's a great putt. So we're in for par here, but this is to go under, and I want it real bad. It's got to dive it in that left side. A little bit inside the last line we had.
Oh!
That's okay.
Unfortunate. Keep it rolling.
Yeah, I can just tap that.
Alrighty.
For the par, about 6 inches, and we're in.
Par 3 here. We got 170 to the pin. Wind's blowing pretty solid, left to right. Just gonna take an easy swing here. Try and roll it up.
Maybe a little too easy.
Just a tad too easy.
Well, I also hit 4 inches behind the ball.
Alright, we are gonna be fighting the wind on this hole. I'm gonna try to put one up, start it left, and let the wind take it right, and see where it ends up. That's a good ball. It's gonna be on the right side. Oh, short. Okay, rolled up.
Alrighty, so the wind is blowing pretty heavy, so I'm gonna go left side of the green, just outside that orange pole. Got 7 iron. Oh God!
Ooh.
Not good.
Just short here at Alex's. The best of the bunch though. Nothing too spectacular, just a little chip here. Sit down. Okay, not terrible.
Not the worst.
Playing the second here. Gonna try to get a little closer than that last attempt and give us a putt for par.
Oh yes. Good ball.
That works.
Got caught.
Got about 5 feet left, just outside right. Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna start this one just inside the cup. Didn't look to break much on that last one.
Okay. This one, we need to make this. It's a big putt.
Oh no, it's a bogey.
Oh,
Here at the 9th, currently 1 over. Need a birdie or better and go under. Even. It's about 2 holes over.
Okay, I'm hoping here for a drive that looks like my last 2, and that would put us in great position over those trees there.
Yup. Maybe? Oh, the wind. That's fine. Right in the rough, I think.
That works.
I can still see it, I think.
Alrighty. So we gotta look up there. I'm gonna try and get into this one a little bit. We need to score here. I'll try and go right over the cart path. Got the wind pushing it off to the right too, so hopefully I can keep this straight. Uh-oh.
Heads up, Hamilton. Oh no.
Oh dear God.
Okay, 140 to the green, strong breeze coming off the left. Gonna start this one left and hope it moves back over. Kept it under the wind. Jesus.
We're starting this one a little left to fight the wind here and try to just get it up in the middle of the green, kind of around the flag there. Oh, that is some bad wind.
That wind.
Pushed all the way off from the bunker, okay.
Sheesh. So I'm going left side of the bunker. The wind is really howling.
Okay, we have quite a ways to go for birdie. Give it a run.
All right, we got a good look at that first one. It was pretty much the line that we expected. It is just a long putt, so we got to try to make one there. I pushed that way right, and that wasn't it.
Okay. We're not in from there, so really gotta give it a run. I want to make this putt really bad. Walk out here with even. We've not capitalized on our scoring holes, so we need to get one. Should make that.
Just gonna finish this one out for par.
Alrighty. Well, wasn't our best. We didn't really capitalize on our scoring holes. We missed a lot of really easy putts that should have went in where we could have capitalized. But at the end of the day, it was a cool course. Definitely gonna be out here again. Also, I don't really know how the audio quality is going to be for this. If it's real bad, you guys might hear some elevator jingles scattered here and out. Really windy, and the whole having planes fly over thing was really cool. So regardless, we'll be back, we'll be better, and we'll see you next time. Saving Bogey.